sun goes down. Oh my God! Why kasi? Ano, Kuya Gab? Kuya Gabriel? Kuya Gab? Hi, Ryan. Beautiful as always. Have a good night. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you so much, Ryan. Have a good day. Gab! Uy! Sa'yo. Mura ho. Paano na ako mainit na tubig? Tabi. Thank you, Ryan. Ryan. Lunis ba yan yun, Kuya Gab, ha? Lunis. Single guys. Oh, balik ikaw man at mawala. Umikot man sa kawalan. Gabriel. Kaya mo mainit. Kaya makape ako. Someday I'll find someone who really loves. Dali na, Kuya Gab. My goodness. Hi. Thank you for watching, guys. 1 million in the house. Ayaw nyo dagdagan. Gabriel. Dali na.
Babasa ka?
Thank you for 8 people. Sa may tasa, ha? Tasa. Butang naman tabi sin sa Ben. Chara. Kaya may kape na ako dito. Thank you. Thank you for the 11 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you. Baka naman, patamsak naman dyan. Hi, Basiliki. Charalampos. What? Charalampos? Hi. Hello. Basiliki. Where are you from, Basiliki? Why Basiliki? Why Basiliki? Why Basiliki? Thank you sa nag-heart. Salamat sa nag-heart. Normie Ariana. Hi, Normie. Normie. Hello, Normie. Basilic. Albania. Wow, Albania. Welcome. Nice to meet you from Albania. Basiliki Charalampos. Charalampos. Norme Ariana. Hi, good evening. Good evening too. Good evening din. Kumusta na, Norme Ariana? Taga saan si Norme? Where are you from, Norme? Hi from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Okay. Okay. Hi, Tito Stephen. Thank you so much. Good evening, Sharon. Good evening, Tito Stephen. Thank you for joining here. Tito, thank you so much. How are you, Tito? Thank you, Tito. Tita, thank you so much for the support always. Thank you so much. Good. Me too, I'm good. Thank you, Tito and Tita Normie. Nice to meet you, everyone here. Nice to meet you, everyone here from Normie, Ariana. Thank you, Normie. Nice to meet you, too. Thank you, Tito Stefan, for joining here now. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you. You're always welcome. Thank you sa nag-heart. Thank you for the heart. Salamat. Thank you, Gab. Thank you for the heart. Thank you for the thumbs up. Paliman ako ding dong. Kaya na lang, bawang sa ako.
Pura man boy bawon dingdong.
O, ding-dong mo lang.
Pagkita nila eh.
Oo.
Diba yung na lang ako man. Nagpit na yan ako. Ako man tayo.
Coffee. Hi, Rodrigo. Welcome back. Good evening.
Pero yun,
Hi there.
nag-iimig sa iyo.
Beautiful woman, Filipina. Thank you, Rodrigo. All good. It was your day. Thank you. Tip like okay. Thank you, Rodrigo from Brazil. Tito and Tita, thank you so much for supporting me here and uh, helping me. God bless you always, Tito and Tita. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, Rodrigo. Big hug from Brazil for you there. Thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. Oh, Filipinas, my place. Your place. Okay. May tummy-tummy na. Oh. Better yet. I'm all about you. I'm all about us. You really know me with I'm thinking about. Thank you for the 4 million in the house. Thank you so much. Kumusta na? Hanga ka sa akin ah. Dallas Pale. Hi Dallas Pale. Hello. Hi Dallas. Where are you from, Dallas Pale? Yayo. Init. Hot. A trouble in your smile, beautiful, my little angel. Little angel. Sana all. You funny, Rodrigo, huh? I am from New Zealand. How about you? I'm from Philippines, Sir Dallas Fair. I'm from Philippines. Welcome to Philippines. Filipina. Thank you for joining her in Dallas Fair. Thank you for joining here in Dallas Fair. Thank you so much. How old are you, Dallas Fair? How old are you? You are my friend, cute Filipina. Cute Filipina, cute. Mm. Nice. Everyone looks kind and beautiful in Philippines. Thank you, it's Dallas Pio. Thank you. Thank you for that. Hi, thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, 8 million in the house. Thank you, guys.
Lalo ngayon nakawal. Lalo meron.
Bye bye. I love to see you, girl. Bye bye, Rodrigo. Take care there. God bless you. Have a nice day. Sweet dream is sleep with the angel. Thank you. Take care there. Welcome from Brazil. Nagkaon ka na luto? Magkaon ka ng... Where? Nagkaon ka luto? Maano sumantiyan mo?
Tapos tayo sa ruda.
May suruda dun ho. Ano ka, mumungkal ka dito. May suruda dito. May suruda ako na tinago. Thank you for the 4 million in the house. No more people outside na. Silent. No more people na. Very silent na. Calm down. What time is it is it in Philippines? Time here now in Philippines 8:20 at night. 8:20 in the evening. Night here now in the Philippines. Night here now.
Mama, ganito ang nanay mo.
You've been eating is
Nabutan
charming.
niya,
Oh my
mama,
god.
Pritos.
Trinitos to yan. Binutang ko sa ano. Masarap yan. Hindi mo pa nga na-try eh. Thank you, Rodrigo. You're working now? Theo? Yes, I am. Ah, you're working now. What is your work, Dallas Teo? Thank you, God. Come help me.
Wala, ubos na ba mo? Iyo.
I don't know what to do for helping you. I don't know what. I have lots of work here, so can't help. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, guys.
Ano ka din?
You come. Possible. Brazil is very far from Philippines and expensive to travel, you know. I am tradesman. I do multiple duty like painting, carpentry, and site safety. Okay. That's good, Dallas Pale. You have a great job.
Hindi na nila.
Hardworking. Okay, great night for you. Sleep and dream. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Rodrigo. Thank you for joining. Bye. Thank you, guys. How about you? My work here. I work here in our barangay. It's a volunteer. That's why not expected too much money or salary because it's like a volunteer. Hi ma'am, good evening sa'yo. Hi, Bartolome Meliares. Hello, Bartolome. Thank you for joining. Salamat sa pagpunta, Bartolome. Kumusta? Taga saan? Good evening din sa'yo, Bartolome. That's great. We all live and do our duty to provide. Yes, that's right. Taga saan po kayo, ma'am? Um, I'm from Negros po ako. Ilonggo po ako, ma'am. Kayo po. Ako po, Bicolana. Bicolano. English B. Bartolome said if I'm if where do I live? Yeah. And she's from Negros, Ilonggo. Pero andito na ako sa Bicol ngayon. Nakalistino, ma'am. Isa po akong scout ranger po, ma'am. Sana ulit. Saan dito sa Bicol? Scout ranger talaga. Saan dito? Bohol. Bohol. Hmm. Pagkabasa ko, Bohol pala. Bart English, I said. Bart, can you speak English? Hmm? Do you have a family or your own husband too? Um, I have my new room now under my parents in maybe in 1 month. I have my son, but I will getting married soon. In March, I will getting married. So I have my husband. Having a husband next month, next year. Not yet now, but have a uh, already have a partner in life. Yes, boyfriend. I have a boyfriend. But soon we're getting married. Yes. I respect and appreciate your honesty very much. All the best for you next year. Thank you. Thank you, Dallas Peo. Thank you so much. And you, do you have a family, wife, children, like that? How about you, Dallas? Magkaon kang agad. Bye-bye. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. See you later. I'm happy with just myself at the moment. I need to keep building my life and have fun. Good. Okay, it's up to you, Dallas. As long as you enjoy your being alone and is this single or something like that, you live alone. Yeah, do what you makes you happy. Thank you. Take care always, guys. Take care. God bless. Enjoy your life. Life is too short, so need to be choose to be happy. Always think positive in life. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you next live. Thank you so much. God bless. I love you all. Bye bye. Love you, team.